Call Property Revolution. No more worries, no more stress. Call Property.
At the end of your project, you might ask yourself, hey, what's going to happen with the leftovers? So before we get to that point, I just want to head that question off. Here at Property Revolution, the way our process works is we give you a proposal for your completed project. We'll give you a price for your roof, for your deck, for your siding replacement, whatever the case is. We're going to give you a quote for the project itself. We're not itemizing out a list of, hey, we're going to give you 12 nails and 2 pieces of siding. We're delivering you a completed project. We take the risk that we may have shorted ourselves on material. If that happens, we just go buy more and we deliver you a completed project. But the other part of that some people have concerns about is what happens if there's leftover material. We order extra material every time on purpose to make sure that your job runs smooth. So that extra material we just send back to the supplier. It is not a credit back to you on your invoice. It's something that we do proactively to make sure that we can run your project as smoothly as possible. So again, I just want to answer the question, what happens to leftover material? We remove it from your job site. We send it back. It doesn't affect your final invoice. If you want some shingles or siding or something like that because you're worried about doing a repair farther down the road and you want to make sure it matches, we would be more than happy to leave you some pieces so that you have something to work with. But the bulk of the materials that are left after your project were brought there on purpose just as insurance to make sure that we didn't run short. They're not part of what we're charging you for, and we just send them back to the supplier.
Call Property Revolution. No more worries, no more stress. Call